Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check your WhatsApp settings on an iPhone, see if your data's being backed up. Now you can check your settings on your iPhone to check, see if it's been backed up to the iCloud. So let's get started. Go into WhatsApp. Go down to the bottom right hand corner to settings. Go to chats, chat backup. And you can select backup now, auto backup, include videos. Here you can see my backups not being backed up for WhatsApp. So if I go into settings, the iPhone settings, then do a search for iCloud, I can see the messages are off for iCloud backup. Once you've gone into the settings, you can choose what you want, how often it's backed up, and how long the messages are stored for. If you learnt something today, go on and watch another video and learn a bit more. Or subscribe to watch the latest videos coming out.